Welcome to Madhuban Garden. This time one of my friends has helped me with this video. A rare, actually a very rare natural phenomenon has happened in her garden. My friend Vaidehi lives in Pune. She is a great plant lover and she has developed a nice charming garden in front of her home. The rare incident that I am talking is about a cactus which is commonly but mistakenly called as Brahmakamal. Its actual name is Queen of Night, and I couldn't find any Hindi or Sanskrit version of the name Queen of Night. Vaidehi has two well grown plants of Queen of Night in her garden. Surprisingly, one of her plants has got a fruit this season. This is really a unique phenomenon because the pollination of flower happens during night. Very few people have witnessed a fruit on this plant of Queen of Night. And yes, I too am seeing it for the first time in life. Most people call Queen of Night as Brahmakamal. Its scientific name is Epiphyllum oxypetalum. We are going to see its rarest fruit and its seeds in this video. The real Brahmakamal is a plant that grows in Himalayan mountain range. It blooms only once in a year. In scientific terms, that actual Brahmakamal is Saussure obvelta. But today we will talk about Queen of Night. The leaf of Queen of Night is long and yellowish green. Though it is from cactus family, no thorns are there on this plant. If we sow its leaf in wet soil, it grows into a plant. So in some areas this plant is also known as panfuti, meaning branching from leaves. In rainy season, the snow white flowers bloom on the leaves of the plant. The flower starts opening in the evening, and at midnight it blooms fully and looks like the bonanza of beauty and magic of nature. Mild and intoxicating odor and the delicate transparent petals make us think as if a fairy wearing white frock has come down from heaven. This monsoon, Vaidehi saw flowers blooming on the plants as usual. But one day, when she was taken by surprise by a glowing red fruit on the plant, she could not believe her eyes. She first checked if the fruit is really from the plant of Brahmakamal. She immediately called me and sent me some photos. Queen of Night being fruited was the rarest and sweetest news for me. We moved fast and approached some experts. The pollination of this plant takes place due to bats, honeybees, and moth. As the fruit ripens, its initially green color gradually changes into glowing red. Nearly after 3 weeks, the fruit detaches from the plant. Vaidehi took photos of all these events on my request. Flowering of Queen of Night is rare in first place, but at Vaidehi's garden, both the plants blooms a lot and now it has started fruiting. How could we miss this chance of video making? This is the first pic taken by Vaidehi 3 weeks ago. The fruit is mostly red, but there is yet some green color at the base of stalk. Look at this and make sure the fruit is really coming from the plant of Queen of Night, or say Brahmakamal. Vaidehi had kept a keen watch on the fruit, but I also reminded her by phone from time to time. This watch was necessary because we did not want that fruit detached from the plant without seen by us. In next 2 weeks, the fruit became fully red and at a spot it has started opening too. This splitting of fruit might have happened because of sunlight, or it may have fully ripened then. We got information that the fruit is edible and tastes sweet and delicious. After 3 weeks, the fruit was mostly cut open and we could see the seeds inside it. We were really eager about those seeds. Oh my god, the seeds of Queen of Night. Not only we, but I am sure that most of viewers of this video are also seeing the seeds of Brahmakamal for the first time in life. In the next 2 days, the fruit was really ripened and its skin became very delicate. So, with the advice from experts, we decided to pluck the fruit. Finally, the moment for which we were waiting for a long time had come. Vaidehi plucked the fruit from the plant carefully. The stalk was quite strong, but finally the rarest fruit was on the dining table. Just see how beautiful it looks. Well, let us separate seeds from fruit. Vaidehi cut the fruit in two halves deliberately. In the first sight, the inner view of the surfaces and the seeds look like those of dragon fruit. Vaidehi then pulled off the skin and pulp apart. There were a lot of blackish seeds, and we all felt like witnessing a divine moment. Spreading the pulp on a tissue paper helped separating seeds from pulp without much trouble. These are the seeds of Queen of Night, and see how they look. And if I am not wrong, you people are also seeing them for the first time, aren't you? These seeds are wet and need to be desiccated on the tissue paper for 10 to 12 hours. After that, there are more than enough seeds for all of us to sow and make new plants of Queen of Night. Now the seeds are dried up enough. To get new plants from these, let us sow them in a mixture of compost, coir peat and soil. The productivity of these seeds is quite high. Most seeds germinate, so no worry. Mainly, the Queen of Night is reproduced by their leaves, but that doesn't make the importance of seeds any less. Nature takes its best course, so soon these seeds will get germinated and produce a bunch of new Queens of Night. Today, we have witnessed one of the really rare phenomena of germinating Brahmakamal or Queen of Night from seeds. We are definitely lucky that we could see the fruit from Vaidehi's garden, and Vaidehi is luckier as she had it happen in her garden. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.